Vehicle inspection setup. MaxxTraxx has a built-in vehicle inspection feature that your technicians can use to evaluate the cars they're working on and provide excellent upselling opportunities. The inspection checklist must be created in MaxxTraxx prior to being used. This video will review making a new inspection checklist and how to use that inspection on a repair order. To create a new inspection checklist or edit an existing one, go to the Setups menu at the upper right corner of MaxxTraxx. Find the Miscellaneous Lists group on the right side of the screen and click on line N, Digital Vehicle Inspection Templates. This window lists the existing inspections you have in your library. One of the great features of MaxxTraxx inspection forms is that you do not have to follow a single inspection template. You can create inspections for a variety of systems, such as braking or electrical components. To create new inspection, click on the New Inspection Form button. The Template Builder window will open. First, create a name for your inspection and add any notes you may want to appear on the inspection. Please be aware that these notes will appear on the customer's copy. In the upper right of the window are the Results options. Edit those to read as desired. Check the Show on Failed List box to have the number of items checked appear on the main service counter screen. We'll cover using the inspection later in this video. The lower half of the window is the list of inspection items. Each inspection item is part of a group. The groups are areas or systems of a vehicle that inspection items are placed in. To add an item, click the New Inspection Item button. Since we're building an AC inspection, we'll add a new group for that as well. Please note that you can show deleted groups and reactivate them by clicking the Show Deleted Inspection Groups checkbox, right-clicking the deleted group, and selecting the Undelete option. For now, we'll click on the New Group button. Since this is an AC inspection, we'll name the group Air Conditioning. Click the OK button when you have typed in the name. To use that group for your item, click the Select button. At the Inspection Item window, type in the item description. For our example, we'll select AC vent temperature. You can also choose the list order and what color the item will show on the failed item list. When you have finished with the item, click the OK button. Back at the Template Builder window, you can now add a new inspection item, edit or select a new group, or preview the inspection. Click OK when finished setting up the inspection. Back at the Templates window, let's look at a different completed inspection. Highlight the inspection and click the Edit button. You'll see the inspection items attached to the various groups. Click the Preview Template button to see what it will look like on screen. Now let's take a look at the inspections from the perspective of the advisor or technician. Close all the windows and return to the Service Schedule screen. Select a repair order to add an inspection to. You can double-click on the repair order to open it, or right-click and open the action tile, selecting Digital Vehicle Inspection. Click the Add Inspection button and choose which inspection to attach to the repair order. When you find the desired inspection, click the Select button. This will open the preview window so you can verify this is the correct inspection. Please note that multiple inspections can be added to the same repair order. Click OK to close the window. The inspection is now attached to that repair order. When the technician opens the repair order, they can now perform the inspection. Highlight the Digital Inspections tab on the left side of the repair order window. Find the inspection to be performed and double-click on it or click the Edit button. Once the inspection is open, the tech can check the appropriate condition box and make notes as needed for the advisor and customer. The technician can stop and return to the inspection later by clicking the OK button. Once they have finished the inspection, check the completed box in the lower part of the window. For shops that are using Job Clock, the technician can access the inspection form from their Job Clock login screen. Once the technician has noted items that did not pass inspection, the number of failed items appears within the inspection column on the service schedule screen. This alerts the service advisor that there are issues that need to be addressed. You can open the repair order and view the inspection, or right-click to open the action tile and click on the Digital Inspection button. The advisor can then open the inspection form and review the inspection results. Make sure to have your technician to include any pertinent notes. The advisor can now work up an estimate and call the customer, text them, or email them and include a copy of the inspection form. Remember, you can build templates that can be used for multi-point inspections, brake system inspections, electrical system inspections, and more. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.